Imagine you're late for work, stuck in traffic, and all the buses are jam-packed. Frustrating, right? That's the reality for millions of commuters every day. But what if there was a smarter, cleaner, and faster way to get around? Enter e-scooters, the eco-friendly, on-demand travel solution that's revolutionizing urban mobility. The global e-scooter market is expected to hit $41 billion by 2030, with app-based rentals leading the charge. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about e-bike app development, from features, tech stack, and monetization to challenges, costs, and how Apptunix can help you launch your very own e-scooter empire. With fuel prices skyrocketing, daily commuting is becoming less affordable. But e-bikes offer a solution that's not just affordable, it's smart, clean, and fast. They reduce emissions, cut down travel time, and are perfect for short-distance urban travel. And the best part, it all starts with a simple mobile app. A successful e-bike app has three components: user app, admin panel, and driver app. User app, registration and login. Users can create an account or log in securely. GPS map integration, locate available scooters in real time. QR code scanner, instantly unlock a scooter by scanning its QR code. Ride history, view detailed records of previous rides and payments. Payment gateway, pay easily using cards, digital wallets or UPI. Real-time tracking, track scooter movement live during the ride. Admin panel, scooter management, add, remove, or update bike details across the fleet. Battery and maintenance status, monitor battery levels and service needs of bikes. Ride analytics and heat maps, analyze usage data and identify high demand zones. User management, view and manage user accounts and activity. Revenue dashboard, track income, transactions and financial performance. Maintenance, driver app, maintenance requests, receive and manage repair and maintenance tasks. Route optimization, get the fastest path to reach bikes needing service. Real-time alerts, get instant notifications about low battery or technical issues. Apart from these three components, a seamless, intuitive UI is key to building a successful application. Your users want convenience, give it to them, with smooth ride booking, accurate GPS, and secure payments. When it comes to building a high-dash performance e-bike app, the right tech stack is crucial. Front-end, React Native Flutter. Back-end, Node.js Flutter. Database, MongoDB/PostgreSQL. Cloud hosting, AWS, Google Cloud. Maps and navigation, Google Maps, Mapbox. IoT integration, BLE, GPS modules for scooter hardware. And of course, robust APIs to sync your app with real-time scooter data, battery levels, and location tracking. Your app should generate consistent revenue. Here's how you can monetize. Pay-per-ride model. Users pay for duration or distance. Subscription plans. Weekly or monthly unlimited rides. Ad placements. Local advertising within the app. Franchise models. Expand to new cities and partners. A well-optimized monetization model ensures sustainability and profit growth. But here's the catch. Building an e-scooter app isn't just about coding. It includes several challenges. Integrating real-time hardware data, ensuring GPS accuracy, handling payment security, complying with local transport laws. Talking about the cost, a full-fledged e-bike app ranges from $30,000 to $120,000, depending on features and complexity. However, a basic version of an e-scooter app or an MVP version can be developed for $10,000 to $20,000, depending on features and complexity. That's where Apptunix comes in. With 12+ years of app development experience, we've helped dozens of mobility startups launch scalable, secure, affordable and user-friendly e-scooter platforms. We provide end-to-end development, from strategy and UI/UX design to hardware integration, QA testing, and post-launch support. The e-bike revolution is just getting started, and your app could be the next big player in urban transport. Need help building your own e-scooter platform? Let Apptunix be your tech partner. Like this video, hit the like button. Drop them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into app development and mobility tech.